Hey, Princess Meela, give me some fives. Oh, are you ready to take a bath, baby? She says, a princess bath for Meela? Of course, I love bath time. She said, get that water just perfect for me. She said, you know how I like it. It's cold. Hang on, baby. It's getting warm. It's going to warm up for you. Go ahead. She's like, whoa now. She's like, Meela will jump up out of here. Oh, how's that? That's perfect, isn't it, baby girl? Yep, your princess angel. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She's at perfect temperature. Let's get her belly wet. Good. Go ahead and get her rinse. Good. All over. That's a good girl. Yeah. You ready to get washed up now? Yes, I got the calming, relaxing shampoo for you. She said, I like that. Oh, Meela. You know, water's hot. My goodness. She said it massages the princess's back really good. Makes it feel good. Here. Let me get her belly. Oh, yeah. On her legs. I got 2 Meela legs to get. I got them. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Scrubby scrub. Let me get her tail. Where's Meela's tail? There it is. All right, Meela. You know we got to do your backside. She said, don't let anybody see. Don't let anybody see. So I don't like nobody to see my butt. She said, I'm a lady. My goodness, that water is hot, Meela. Look, let's see the steam coming off of it. All right, man, let me wash your face while you're rinsing off. Meela always checks Happy and Boo for boogies and checks her ears. So I have to check her. Let me see her pretty face. Look how pretty. No boogies. Let's see her teepees. Oh, she's got nice, pretty teepees. She's arr. Let me get your ears. Clean ear. Clean ear over here. All right. You just got to rinse you off. Clean the sink. Clean it up. There's a monkey in there. Good job, Meela. You clean up your messes. She says, I'm a clean monkey. The monkey princess, right, baby? We'd like to see your face. Okay. Dave's got to make sure you rinsed off good. I gotta get your belly. Oh, yeah. So one of Meela's favorite little things that she likes to treat she has is I'll take a washcloth or a small hand towel and wet it with really, really hot water and just give it to her. She loves it. And she's cleaning with it today. Clean up good. Hurry. Clean up. Yay, Meela. Let me finish rinsing her again. Backside is good. Tail is good. Make sure her arms and hands, everything, no soapies. Look at her, she's such a good girl. Meela likes to play and clean up. Boo goes to sleep after bath time. She says, I'm a girl. She said, it gives me energy. I want to do stuff, get stuff done around the house. Oh, Meela, I have a really clean sink, don't I, baby? You want to clean up here? Wash it right here, right here. Look. So the cleaning lady just ain't getting it done, Daddy. All right, y'all done, baby? You good? Can I see this? No? Come on. You're silly. You like playing in the water? Splash. All right, Miss Meela. Bad time has come to an end, though. Thank you for cleaning the sink for me. Maybe we'll do a snack over here. Come here, hurry. Hurry. Hey, whoa, who turned that water off? Why did you do that? Come here, Meela, hurry. Right here, baby. Oh, look at her pink, pretty unicorn towel. Yeah, oh yeah. Clean Meela. Let's get that tail. It gets a lot of water in it. Oh yeah. Why are you holding on to me? Let's see how she looks. Oh, she looks like a big fluff ball. You're fluffy, baby. Come here. We want to see you. This way. I'll let you get a treat. She's like, what you got in there? You get a few. It's cranberries. Just get you a few. Hurry. Get you a few. Did you get? No. You're not holding on to the whole thing. Get you a few. There you go. Good girl. That's all of those you get. You're almost sitting over here, so you're not tempted. Hurry. Meela, you look like you weigh 100 pounds. Except my fur's it's just fluffy. It'll settle down. Yeah. You like your towel? Here, I'm sorry. Oh, she likes her pink princess towel. Pink leash. Pink belt band on. Meela is the monkey princess. Right? Are you the princess of all monkeys? Say, I'm the princess of all princesses. She's a good girl. She cleaned up for Daddy. She took a good bath. Yeah. What a sweet girl. Hey, Meela. Hurry. Finish your snack. Hurry. No, we're not getting nothing else. You had your treat. And your blankie. This is coming in your mail video. I love it. The unicorn stuff. Okay, let's try her off a little bit more. I think I see some wet Meela there. Was that Daddy? Stop. That's enough. All right, would you like to get upon my shoulder, Meela? Good girl. Don't knock my head off. Come over here on this arm. Right there. Good girl, Meela. So I say thank you guys for watching. So I'll see you in the next video. Say, Monkey Princess has got to go do some princess stuff. Oh, she's giving kisses. She's a sweet girl. See you guys in the next video.